In this part of question, part D, we have a circle and this line PAQ, the tangent, and AC is the diameter. Okay. Find the values of U, V, W, X, and Y. Okay. First of all, value of U. This is angle U here. Okay. And this diameter PAQ is perpendicular to the diameter AC. Here's this angle PAC is a right angle, okay, 90 degrees. So we can reduce 90 degrees by 60 to find the value of U. So U here equals 90 minus 60 equals 30. Okay, then find out the value of V. This is the angle V here. Okay, this angle here, angle PAD, is angle between a tangent and a chord, and this angle equal the angle at circumference opposite or subtended by the same chord. This chord AD here subtended two angles, the angle V and also the angle W. Okay, so angle V here equals the same angle between the tangent and the chord, which will be 60. Okay, now V equals 60, and W here, W and V are equal because they are angles at circumference. Okay, so W also W equals V equals 60. Now we want to go to find the value of X. This angle X here, this angle X or AOD, angle at center, and we know that the angle at center is twice the angle at circumference. So we have here this angle at circumference, which subtended by the arc AD. Okay, now the angle X here also subtended by the same arc AD. So X here is twice W. Okay, we can write it like that: X equals 2 times 60 equal 120. Okay, now we'll find out the value of Y. Y here, okay, angle ODB. Okay, this angle Y is part of the angle ADC. This angle ADC here is right angle. Why? Because it angle in a semicircle. Okay, this is diameter. Okay, this part is a semicircle, so any angle at circumference drawn in a semicircle is right angle. Okay, this all 90 degrees. Okay, this angle divided into three angles: this angle here, and angle Y, and this angle here. Okay, the first angle here, angle ADO here, is equal the angle U, because this triangle is an isosceles triangle. AOD, AO equals DO. Okay, so this angle U, we find it at 30, and this also will be 30. Okay, we now go to this angle here, angle BDC. This angle here, it's an angle at circumference, and it's subtended by the arc CB, this arc here. Okay, and this arc also subtended another angle at circumference, this angle here 20. So angle BAC, which be 20, and angle BDC are equal because they are angles at circumference, so this angle here equals 20. So we can now easily find the value of y. Y equals 90, the big angle here, minus 30 plus 20. Okay, 30 plus 20 is 50. 90 minus 50 equals 40. Okay, now we will write, don't forget to write these values down here. U is 30, V 60, and W also 60. X is 120 and Y is 40. Okay.